Hello and welcome to our 5th Valentine's Day card painting tutorial. Here are the other cards I've done so far in this series. You can check them out on my YouTube channel. And be sure to subscribe for more fun and exciting painting tutorials. Here's a list of supplies that you'll need. Feel free to press pause at any time during the video if you need to catch up or read or do anything. And here is the sketch. It's available on my website for download and you can trace it right onto your card, and that's the finished painting. Hello and welcome to the last Valentine's Day card we're going to be painting together. So just like we did with the other 4, we're going to go ahead and start by painting the entire canvas with a thin layer of white acrylic paint. So all that does is help seal in the pencil and give us a nice white paint base to work with, so we're not painting directly on paper. So we are going to grab our background color, which is going to be some yellow and some white mixed together. We're going to start right here in the middle. That has a little bit of black in it, sorry. My white is kind of dirty from the other paintings I've been doing. So anyway, right in the middle, I'm going to do kind of a large circle. And again, this should be watered down a little bit so that you'll be able to see your sketch still underneath it. So all I did was add a little bit of white here to the middle, and I'm running my brush over the edge of the white where it meets the yellow, kind of blending it together just slightly. So it should look something like that. You can take your brush and just put a little bit of water on it with no paint, and then run it along the edge of the line of the yellow, and it will kind of help blend it out a little bit better. All I'm using is water right now. So for this outer part here, we're going to use a little bit of red and a little bit of yellow. So it's going to be kind of an orange color. And we're kind of just going to go along the edge here of everything that's left. I'm just going to keep repeating that process until I like how it looks. And I think that is a good start for what we want. Okay, so it should look something like this. And we are going to add some more details to this in just a few minutes. We're going to let it dry a little bit, and we're going to get these birds filled in. So first I'm going to start with their little heads up here. It's just a circle. Part on their body, you want to make sure you give them kind of a heart shape because their wings would be making a little round part up top. So it's kind of like if you could imagine a heart right here, that's kind of the shape you're going for. And then once you get down here, it's just kind of like a little box for their tail. I'm going to go ahead and start adding some details to these branches though. So again, just using my small liner, and I'm going to add some more little branches coming off of these trees. And then we're going to go ahead and add some leaves to these trees, and it'll give it a little bit less of a fall vibe and more of a Valentine's Day vibe once we add these. So I think I'm going to do a light purple for the leaves. You can do whatever color you want. You can do red or blue, but I think purple will be a nice contrast with the yellow background. So I'm going to do purple. I think I'm also going to make the leaves in a heart shape. So, but I'm going to see first how it looks. I think that's cute. So I'm just going to continue on making some leaves. I think what I'm going to do is add a whole bunch of different color leaves. Like I'm going to do some green. I'm just experimenting. I'm going to see how this looks. I'm going to do some green. Oh, that didn't show up very well. Maybe I'll do dark green. Dark green. I'm going to kind of mix them all in together as well. So next I'm gonna do a little bit of red, I think. Let's see, no, I'll do some blue. Blue sounds good. I'm gonna add in some blue hearts. One more just right down here. I think that looks so cute. Okay. Now maybe I think some red might go well in there, but I'm not sure. I don't want to give it like more of a fall vibe. So we'll see how that turns out. That might work. Because the sunset colors are already kind of making it like fall looking, so trying to avoid that. I think I'm gonna add in a couple little hearts going up right here, just to kind of like accentuate that they're kissing. This is optional. Don't have to do that if you don't want to. So I think I might do one last little thing, and that's add in some grass down here just to kind of finish it off. And I'm just gonna grab some black, and I'm just gonna do little lines like this, starting at the bottom and work your way up, and you kind of flick your wrist up so that the lines get thinner as they end. And that'll really give it the grass look. You also don't want all of your grass to be going the same way. Some of them will be going that direction or that direction, and that'll make it look more realistic. Alright, and we're going to do one more thing, I think, and then that'll be it on this card, because I like it. I think it's so cute how it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in just a couple of highlights in these trees. So I'm going to grab a little bit of white, going to mix it with some brown, and a little bit of black. So you kind of get a kind of brownish gray color. And I'm just going to go along some of the parts of this tree where it would be getting highlighted from the sun, and just add in a few little lines. I think we have our last little Valentine's Day card. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Which one was your favorite out of all of them? I think I like the first one the best, obviously, because there's the most detail in that one, but let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. I would love to hear it. And if you followed along and did any of these, please post your result on my page on Facebook, Paintings by Dakota Dateweiler. I would love to see it. It always makes me really happy when people do my tutorials. And I'm planning on posting a whole lot more of these, so subscribe to my channel and I will be doing a lot more videos very soon. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you had fun. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody!